My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has done just over 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. On the first page of our screen, we can access radio, media, CarNet, App Connect, navigation, smartphone integration and traffic reports. On the second page we have air conditioning, images, settings and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.